Good morning, 2026. Let's get after it, boys. First trade of the year on deck here. First trade of the year. Freaking first trade of the year. What's it gonna be? Holy MU, jeez. Yeah, who was hating on my MU pick? Shut up, SJ and a T12. BYD, huh? What's up with this IRWD? Jeez. Dude, this NBY looking great on the daily. Maybe tomorrow or sometime this week. Watch MU cuck and go here. It's actually cucked. It's flirting. It wants to go, doesn't it?
Good morning, SJ and chat.
First
Happy New Year.
resub of the new year.
Great and prosperous 2026. Go Flyers.
Flyers suck. But 17 months. Let's go, buddy. Still looking for that first trade, boys. You got to be surgical with that first one. Can't be willy-nilly. First one makes or breaks your entire year. For your You did before I was on the desk? Oh well. If a tree falls when no one's around, does it make a sound? Something like that.
Happy New Year.
Is 205 my official? I guess so. I think I have to do about 50,000 in taxes. So this 205 is going to turn into 150 real quick as soon as I do my taxes this year. But for now, it's a good starting point. Gotta love it. Started with I don't even know. I think I started with 100K last year, right? I think so. Started with 100K, work all year, had my third best year ever, and basically, I have 50K profit to show for it. Thanks taxes in America and healthcare and all the other great stuff that takes my money. Stop buying helmets. Come to the EU. Good morning. Good morning. Great hit, Chicka Bow Wow. MU is looking like it's gearing up again. New year, new shit. Yep. Sounds like you need new tax loss carry forwards. This is true. IRWD's got no chill, doesn't it? SOPA's doing something too, huh? Dude, this thing is just going. Apple Vision Pro is still failing to catch on. You think? You think? MU breaking out. All right, we're finally going to pull back on this IRWD. See if we can get a trade off of it. The NAI. Pizza and all, y'all. I have a shot today with this. Daily cock on it. I wasn't paying attention to that. I like it. The NAI. Not looking good. Not looking good. 1 minute cuck happened on me. And 50-cent breaks coming. How'd they hit 53? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. BNAI 1 minute cock here, by the way. Watch for this one. SOPA, maybe a red or green too. Watch this 1 minute. This thing's throttling me. It's going to be a first red trade of the year. Congrats. Of course, this entire move up, and then it can't hold the freaking level. Gotta love it. Gotta freaking love it. Oh my gosh, what was that? Went from 40 to 25. Well, Mal MacD's crossed. Fan-damn-tastic.
Rip Joshua Fox gone but not forgotten.
Huh? I don't even know what that means, Mook. NIO. Playing off of that Chinese play. Do you not get one 1 minute cock out of all this? So, there you go. Finally. Okay. Look at the volume to the downside. It's just massive still. No volume to the upside right now. VIX is just cratering. Yeah, this is just bad. This is just really bad. This is just not good. Nay, let's go 35.
New year, new me. Same old COC though.
I'm right. Watch this DNAI over 326. Looking decent. Sopa giving it all back. Jeez. is down. I hit the buy button. Please. First trade. First trade of the year. First completed trade of the year. That's green. That's green. Count it. Woo. We don't. Now we can disregard this piece of shit. Woo. Doesn't count. Yes, it does, Luke. Yes, it does, Luke. It's not a trade until you close it. It's not a loss till you sell it. It's a big win. Big win. Needed that. Needed it. Needed it. This is going to $5, isn't it? This piece of shit. Excuse me. Look at that. Every time it gets a little Momo, just 10-cent dump. Look at these candles. Like, like, what is this thing? Nay, I don't know. I think it's till February for me. That would be the way, wouldn't it? Oh, there's BNAI. A 5-minute worked out nicely. Yeah, this is going to the VWAP. EKSL, red to green. LVRO, jeez. DJTU? Oh my gosh. All right, first for the year.
DJTU.
do it, Luke. First ETF me to buy of the year by none other than Luke Hong. 2x DJT. Oh my gosh. 1/1/2026. I think I just put 26, right? 1 at 4:33. Boom, you're in. It's official. Oh, it's the second, isn't it? Yeah, let me fix that. Here's your 5, like I freaking called it. Disgusting. This is a freaking crying shame. This is a crime here. I need to get out. Is this going to flush 5? It's pretty clear. BNAI is still the play right now. This is basically completely pulled back the last move. It's given up the 618. Overall, it's flirting with it. 5. Your order? Oh, on BNAI? You guys are in the 4s. Yeah. I'll put your orders in. Could it be the first 100% mover of the year? That's what we're going for? Let's take a look here. BNAI. All right. This one is 256. Or, sorry. 456. This one is 464. This one is 468. All right, you're in. It's down for an eternity. So we're doing. DNAI failed 1 minute cock. Saidu out of nowhere. Jeez, this thing is nuts. Saidu is legit nuts. Saidu, watch that 423 level from, I guess it's Wednesday's high. All right, first loss of 2026, and it was a banger. Oh, jeez. No chill. It's great. I don't normally start the year off with 50K. It changes every year. I prefer not to start the year off with 50K. It really it really dampers how much you can make just because the leverage isn't there. Yeah, this MU is pretty amazing. 8% on the day. I know I bought it. Where is it? Didn't I buy it? I thought I bought MU. I didn't buy it? What did I buy? Totally bought it. There it is. Why does it keep 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, there we go. We're already at freaking 8% or 7% on it. Let's go, boys. Sopa gave it all back. There's the W here on this. There, high day. Oh my gosh. Jeez, dollar drop. I feel like I should buy it. Oop, glad I didn't buy it. Feel I should buy it. Oop, oop. It's a tough one to play. It's so volatile. Dude, look at that Sopa. What the heck is that? Side 5-minute cuck. What sell order for SLV? For me, it was a close under the 9 EMA, so we closed right at it on Wednesday. So we're still in it. Isn't it crazy where spot silver is and paper silver is? The prices? It's like, well, if that isn't clear manipulation, I don't know what is. The NAI is chooching at that big daily level at 445. CMOS. Jeez. 310 coming on this MU here. Well, that's a interesting move here in the market. Tesla under 450. What's up, Cram? How much did I make last year? $250,000. How much would I have made if I'm not dumb? That's an obvious answer. It's like $1 billion. Clearly. Izzy, daily levels are significant levels, and you'll find that when stocks tend to break their significant daily levels, they do seem to accelerate. There is volume there. There could be, I mean, the reason you'll really never know. I mean, you don't know why, you just know it does. The why could be, I don't know, people stopping out, new people jumping in that say, oh, that's a significant level, trend reversing. I go long at this point. I don't know. $50 more cents here for BNAI home run hitters. So it'd be pizza, then the Lukes. Oh, is pizza gonna get the first one of the year? Luke, how mad would you be if pizza gets it and then you don't get yours? How mad? You're getting it too. You're not in this talk, Chalk. What are you talking about? No, I cannot let you buy OTC again. The old ETF portfolio doesn't look so bad anymore. Now that we purged all the minus. Oh, do we have another one? Oh, Elliot, we got a purge today, boys. I'm staying on top of them this time. Minus 55%. Get wrecked. You better be over 50, back under 55% by the time I come to purge you. Am you gonna go here? Not yet. Oof. I'm gonna cuck on MU now. Do I hunt? I do. Deer mainly. I really don't do it because I enjoy it. I do it for the meat. There's nothing more boring than sitting out in the middle of nowhere, freezing your ass off, only to not get anything. Possum hunting, yeah. Do I fish for bass? I do. By the way, we have our first entry into the ETF Meta Fantasy Pick'ems, paid in full. I have their 5 picks as well. They will remain secret until we are done onboarding. We are now onboarding January 1 through 9. This is for the tournament. 5 months ending in May 31st. This is for the ring. It is so graciously put onto the screen for us to look at up there. How was it paid? PayPal. So if you do PayPal, just throw an extra like $5 on top. It covers the fees. If you need the PayPal address, this is it. It's just my email, stockjockat@gmail.com. So the fees were $5 covers it, it looks like. Maybe, crawler. Maybe. The NAI, looking for the... Golly, nothing looks good right now. Tesla still... Ooh, jeez. Spies just filling the gap. All right, let's see if we get a bounce here at Wednesday's close. This is where you'd want to see it. BNAI trying to curl MACD still down. It's not getting delivered, Baldy. I gotta go pick it up. And that is pretty far from me, so I gotta just plan that out, but I gotta get better first. Different you sent via PayPal? All right, I'll let you know when I get it. Oh, I think I just got it. Got it. Yep, I got you. Got it. Different baits. If you could send me your 5 initial picks. So the way the game works, just so everybody knows, it's a paper trading contest. You give me 5 stocks. Those are your 5 stocks. We will go live January 10th with those 5. So prices right now don't matter. So you have up until January, the end of the January 9th to change your picks if you want to. And whoever has the highest percent gain in your entire portfolio by May 31st wins the ring. You are allowed 1 buy and 1 sell, or 1 sell and 1 buy. You always have to have 5 stocks in your portfolio per month. You can buy a stock or sell a stock out of your portfolio and buy another one. Lock in some percent gains or cut losses or whatever. And that's it. Nice, simple, clean. We've got 2 entries so far. Let's go. different baits. Be sure to DM me your 5 initial picks. Again, you can change those at any time between now and the 9th. Those picks will be secret for everybody until we lock in the onboarding process. Can I sell your... No, that's not how it works. Talk jock. Most of yours has been purged anyway. What are you talking about? BNAI, nice curl there, 5 minute. Stream froze? Did it really? All right, it's pretty simple. It's a paper trading competition, $100 buy-in fee. You pick 5 stocks, and then at the end of May 31st, or is it? Yeah, May 31st. Whoever has the highest percent gain in your entire portfolio wins. You're allowed to sell and buy a stock 1 time per month. And that's it. It's any stock in the stock market that you can buy with this portfolio. You get 1 share. It's not about dollar amount wins. It's about percent gain. Sounds sketchy. It's going to go dark. I'm going to take your $100 and freaking run. The winner gets their money back and the ring. That's simple. The ring is worth $700 by itself. So shitters are allowed? Yes, but you're not allowed. You got to remember, you only are allowed 1 sell a month, not per stock. 1 sell. And there's no day trading, so you have to hold the whole time is minimum a day. So you can't like buy and sell the same stock, same day or whatever. This is a swing trading competition. Yeah, shitters aren't the play. If you go shitters, you're gonna get shit on because negative percent loss is going to count against you. You're not just gonna stay at 0. All right, watching this BNAI here. Okay, how the hell did that get down there so easily? Saidu at 380 is interesting. LVO halted up again. Jeez. MU 5 minute off the 9 EMA here. Nice. MACD's almost curled. Not LVL, LRVO, sorry. Market curled right off of that Wednesday close like we were talking about. What's up, Biggs? Coach Red, that makes 0 sense. Why would I do that? I'm willing to make a trade, but I'm not going to get robbed. Insane Hattie last night. Well, I know you saw Nichuchkin had a Hattie the night before. So what are we talking about Hatties here for? Biggs 11 months. Welfare Wombat 38 months. Let's go, boys. Sticky Fingers, let's go, bud. 54 months.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you. That's why Stamkos been selling for you. Well, congratulations. I'm willing to make a deal. I need to make a deal. I got too many wingers. I'll take Matthews. I'll take a center. I need a center. I really kind of need a left winger. I haven't actually seen the Team USA lineup. Circle. Interesting. What's this thing gonna do? Right on the 100-day moving average. Opens at 38.31. 1 minute. High date at 34. Look at this iron. I mean, how? How? It's disgusting. All right, let's see. Dip and rep. There's the dip. Oh, should have done better than that. Gotta go now. There it is. Come on. Gotta do better than that. Come on. Push up edge. Kind of stalking this MU. You got to think it makes a run at 310 and breaks it. I don't know if it holds it, but you got to figure that's where it's going. This is a break. This is a 5-minute W break here. Right against the 1-minute Bollinger Band, though. Holding up. It's going to be a run to 310. $100 worth of game. Okay. No pullback, just straight 310, huh? It's 310. Yep, broke right through it. Like it wasn't even there. Oh, good find there, bogus. LRVO halting down. Bogus, your wife put out quite the spread for New Year's. Holy crap. Come on, give us something that wants to move. Jeez. UAVS news? No. Actually, I did not. CRML. I don't know how this isn't going bogus. STI. Yeah, I pulled it up earlier. For me, it's got to get over, like, I guess, for starters, 1120. Otherwise, it's just one of these. Like, I need it to break a recent high or something. I don't know. It certainly can move, but it's real light volume. What I'm saying is it needs to prove to me a little bit more. A little more volume, prove to me you can move, and not as soon as I get in, you're going to dump $1 on me, basically, which I feel like it's going to do if I were to go into it. There goes Baidu. It's creeping, right? It's taking its sweet ass time. It's just doubled its volume. It's a good start. 1112 is my level where my ears perk up. And dump. Let's go, Pootie Tang. Truist cuts Tesla price to 439. LVRO right back up to the highs. BNAI 5-minute curl. Kind of really needs to do something with this one. That was a pretty tight 5 minutes to play off of. Pasty, let's go 58 months. My man.
Happy New Year. Let's get that green babe.
Freaking trying here. EKSO's up. I just took that off my watch list. Son of a gun. All right. Stalking this LVRO, sorry. The VIX gonna hold 15. I don't know what it's gonna do. This market's kind of weird today. Yeah, remember, volume's probably not going to pick up on the things that we typically trade until like middle of the month. People are still not home from vacationing or wherever. They're not going to fly home to freaking trade on a Friday and then just have a weekend off. They're going to be like, you know what, screw it. It's only us morons that have nothing better to do with our lives than to sit in our pajamas the day after New Year's and trade. The true degens. Bay Street, let's go, bud. 60 months. My man, 5 years. Holy jeez.
Happy 2026.
Good luck to you in 2026, Bay Street. Opening for those can be accepted online this time. No, I've been stalking this for this exact move and I can't trade it. E-Trade's got the locks on it. Damn it. Well, great. I was about to take my first trade in an hour. E-Trade says, nope, can't trade that stock. Okay. That's so annoying. Got cucked. Igloo. Freaking A igloo. I know, right? Restricted. They saved me. I mean, it would have been a profitable trade. It's freaking dumping now, though, huh? BSH futures? What are you trading over there, good banana? BNAI ain't hitting. Don't give up so early. It's not over yet. You're still over the VWAP. You still got a chance. Bowling shoe futures. This freaking guy. Okay, market's deciding to sell off some more here. NBY actually did a daily cock. That's a shame. You have to move to first shift to Pope? What's the time of the first shift? Is that like 8 a.m. to whatever? De Pope, are you gonna play the competition at least this year? The ETF meet at competition. You could totally do it still. Send in your $100, get your 5 picks in. Let's go. The Pope's just trying to set me up. Like, he's trying to get me, like, to be calm or whatever. And he's still going to freaking sign in his phone while he's working and just hit me with the jump scare. I'm 100% certain of this. Vic seems off. It's all over the place. Today is all over the place. I think I should be short in Tesla, though. Jeez. UAVS moving. I hate this stock. That's why I'm somewhat willing to Now look at it. Yeah, a lot of weird moves today. Not getting any news. Can you short in the ETF? No, it's just a long contest. I have no way to really set that up.
Happy New Year.
So you'd have to do like in an inverse ETF if you want to short. What's the rules again? It's pretty simple to Pope. You pick it's a $100 buy-in. You pick 5 stocks. At the end of May 31st, whatever portfolio, whoever's 5 stocks has the highest percent gain. It's not dollar amount. It's percent gain wins. You're allowed 1 sell and 1 buy per month. Not of each stock. Wins what? It's right there on the screen, brother. You get your money back, first off, and the $700 ring that is sparkling bright and beautiful on the screen here. See this thing? $700 is what it's costing me. And you can win it. Question is, do you believe in yourself? Five stocks. No. The $100 is just the buy-in fee. 5 stocks can be anything. It's a paper trading contest. You're getting 1 share of any 5 stocks you want. They could be Berkshire Hathaway if you want. I mean, it doesn't matter. The $100 is just a buy-in. $25 entries with the 1-month rule. No, you can have 6 total. It's 1 sell out of your portfolio and 1 buy in your portfolio. You have to have 5 stocks at all times. It's not selling. It's not 5 sells per month. It's 1 sell out of the portfolio. It's only there for basically. So 10 entries for 5 months. No. If you don't use your monthly sell, it doesn't carry over. It's 1 per month. Why does it cost so much? Because the ring costs so much. The ring is, I just said that. It's $700 for this ring. One ring random. No, it. Yeah. I mean, what do you say? What are you considering a round? At the end of May 31st, whoever has the highest percent gain in their portfolio wins the ring. And then we're going to start game 2 in July, probably. If this one works out and everybody wants to do another one, we'll do another one. Different rules, different game. Maybe make that one dollar amount, biggest dollar amount wins in your portfolio rather than percent gain. Am I playing? I hadn't planned on it because I don't want to accidentally win. I want you guys to win. There's no stock price limit, Luke. Any stocks, any 5 stocks. They just can't be OTC. I ain't dicking with that. Yeah, you could pick Berkshire. See, but if you pick Berkshire, you're going to lose. Like, you're not going to get the highest percent gain going with Berkshire. You're dumb. Chickabow. It's pretty easy. You have 5 stocks, right? You got 5 stocks. Say one of those has news and it jumps up 20%. Well, I want you to be able to take advantage of that. So I'm allowing you one sell out of your portfolio, your 5 per month. So if you don't use it, it goes away. It doesn't accumulate. So if you don't use it the first month, you don't get 2 the second month, just 1. So that one stock jumps 20% and you want to sell it, boom. You sold it. You locked in that 20% gain for your portfolio. You have to immediately buy another stock because you have to have 5 stocks. You pick the stock, you're back to 5. That's your sell and buy for the month. Done. If another one of your stocks in the same month does another news play and jumps up 20%, guess what? You can't sell it. You're stuck holding. If you sell it, you lock in the percent gain. That's why you're allowed to sell it. Ten potential stocks. I mean, I guess was what you're saying, Chickabow, was at the end in May 31st, you might have had 10 stocks total in and out of the portfolio. If that's what you mean. No options. No, this is stocks. Can I make one with contracts? I mean, maybe. let's just get through the first one first. So you can dump losers once a month. If you have 2 that are absolute trash that are losers, you want to dump them the same month, you're not going to be able to. You can only dump 1. Basically, 1 move out of your portfolio a month. So yes, the sell is also there for losers. If you got a loser, had bad news, did an offering of or whatever, bankruptcy, I don't know. That's why you got to be really selective with your picks so you don't have to worry about that stuff. But if one starts being an ass, you want to get rid of it and pick a different one. That's what the move is for. Can you answer a question? I will answer a question, no problem. Ask away. Judge me by my list. What's your question, Cuzzy? Also, you must work at the Somalian Learing Center. New to stocks, all right. KSO, give it back already. Alted up LVRO. So glad I can't trade it. The only thing that's moving right now, and I can't trade it. BNAI might be setting up. TOS can't trade it either? Jeez. Send me your PayPal. It's on the screen right there. stockjockata@gmail.com. You send PayPal, just throw in an extra $5 for the fees, and we Gucci. Oh, Luke, I'm so sorry. It's 105 if you use PayPal. You could send it via crypto and it wouldn't be any fees, but you're choosing PayPal. Some people are mailing it in because they said screw fees. Thank you, Phoenix. I didn't want to be the one to say it. Some people are still hungover, apparently. No, mailing cash, Chicka Bow Wow. Because he sent the question. I hope you can understand what I'm saying. Stock a $1. I place a buy order for $1.40. Will it buy at a price or buy the lowest until it gets to 140? It'll buy the lowest until it gets to 140. Unless the spreads are crazy. I'm assuming there's like a 1 cent spread. But say this stock right now, this GRRR, it's 1243 by 1248. If I put an order at $13, a limit order at 13, it's not going to fill me at $13. It's going to fill me at 1248, 1249, 1250, 1253, until I run out of shares going up to 13. Yep, stockjockat@gmail.com. That's it, Chickabell. You were waiting an hour to ask that? Don't wait an hour next time. BMNR pumping up here. What's up with that? Avoid tax. Yeah, you got it, Luke. Chat log is follow, then wait 1 hour. If you're slow by an hour, you need to refresh. Oh, you have to wait an hour? Do you really? That's not a setting I've set. That's weird. All right, BNAI trying to get going again. BITF. First off, don't put it out there what people are thinking. You don't want It's a secret. You're going to give me your 5 picks in secrecy so no one copies you. And again, the cost basis for your portfolio won't start until the close of January 9. So next Friday at the close is when the portfolios for everybody go live. So you have between now and then to change your if say your first 5, you're like, oh, I don't want one of those. You can change it until the 9th, and that doesn't count as your move for the month. I just need an initial 5 in case you disappear for a week and I'm not trying to hunt you down. You want to see positions? You'll get to see the positions after the 9th. What if they're 2 winners? We'll have a tiebreaker. We'll do like a 1 week. Each person picks a stock, and whoever has the highest percent gain at the end of the week. We'll have a tiebreaker. Fat chance that there'll be a tie. But, yeah. Yeah, I agree. There's no way there's going to be a freaking tie. You have to have 5 positions. Can we bet the under? Nah, Nick and Titan have been on MSTR. They're freaking killing that one today. Too much work for a ring. You guys are lazy AF. You literally have to pick 5 stocks. Whoever wins this ring better freaking take tons of pictures. The max girth. Oh my gosh. Can we see the ring on video? I'll never have my hands on it. I'm going to order it straight from the company and they're going to send it directly to you. So whoever wins, I'm going to need your ring size. There's a few things that you have to put on it that we won't know what those are. And this is what the ring looks like. Obviously we're going to change it from 100% club champion to ETF Meta champion. And on this side, it'll have the year. It'll say 2026, Roman numeral 1. This side will be whatever name you want on it. I have this little bull. So whoever wins, I'll need that information. And once I get that information, they send it to you. I'll never see it. All this work for a ring I'll never touch. What's the max range? It's like whatever. It could be any number. Normal number. When do you purchase the stocks, and is there a significant change before the company starts and a position can be changed? Yes, so that's not normal. That's exactly what I just mentioned. The cost basis. So what you're asking is, when does the cost basis start for your portfolio? It starts at the January 9th at close. So 4 p.m. So yes, if there's a stock that you give me your initial 5 and you change your mind on one of those between now and the 9th, you can do that. And it doesn't count as one of your transactions. Say you picked 5 stocks and you're like, you know what? I was drunk when I picked those. You can pick a completely different 5 between now and the 9th. But once the 9th, the close of the 9th, picks are locked in. Sounds good, Bogus. Sounds good. Let's go, boy. Step up to the plate. Get me those PayPals in. WLA scene. Oh, you dicked me on the exit. Partner talk. All right, we finally got some news. Goodness gracious, the spread on this thing. Look at the seller step in. So it was news speculation that a partner with NVIDIA. You can tell there was someone pumping it because look at that huge ass order that walked in. But we finally made a trade. That was $200. It was almost $400 winner. I needed it. We're still down 2,000, but you know what? We're heading in the right direction finally. BNAI curling. What? Luke, what are you talking about? Luke, just use the crypto thing. You're a smart man. Do I need to connect my Twitch to the crypto dono? No. The link is just down below. Just send me USDC. It's a cloud partner with NVIDIA. Okay. It asks for anonymous or sign up on the site. I don't know. So now you want my crypto? No, I don't want your crypto address. $20 PayPal? Jeez. I use PayPal like at least once a month. Data check a disaster? No. That was $400, man. Don't you curse the man. News plays are going to be just scalps probably until the middle of the month, is my guess, when everybody gets back to trading. Rug pulled us? He just gives the news. Oh, shut up, Luke. All right. Bye, break. Be right back. BNAI cucking again, huh? Jeez. Bitcoin 90K. Oh, okay. Did I get your money? Yep. Got it, Luke. You're in. Oops. All right, there we go. RWD. Jeez, what a piece of shit. How does it do that? Yeah, I did. I just got that alert for Bitcoin breaking those levels. Did I get your PayPal? Let me look. Not yet. When did you send it? Oh, maybe I just got it. Yep, got it. Chicka bow wow. Put you on the list here. Give you access to the special room. We got four of you all paid up. Nice start to the onboarding process. Pizza's freaking in Vegas. Good luck me getting a hold of him. It's all said and done. We should have like 10 to 15 people at least, I think. Mull it over. You mull it over. Winner gets their money back and a ring. What day? May 31st, close. BNAI. W on the 1 minute. I mean, you could have called it that. However, the overall move here is still down. So you're really a W move. You want the stock to be, going up for a W to work out, not really kind of in a downward trend. So a W play is a continuation play. So continuation meaning in an upward pattern. Dude, Saidu is insane. How much was the E15 when we were all said and done? Let's look at it. That last day purge put us red on the air, that's for sure. Gains, losses, 2025. Minus $230. No, not too bad, right? And I finished the year 245, I believe it was, 246. Yeah, 247. 18,000 in fees. What was the fees for the ETF Meta? $90 in fees. on a free broker. That's exactly OTC right there. That's all the OTC and all the splits and all the merger crap. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. And you wonder why I changed a few things. $90 in fees. It's ridiculous. What's my biggest winner this year in 2026? This WLAC trade? What percent was it down? I think 5. Let me look. Oh, this is cute. Thank you, E-Trade. All right. Well, I can't look right now. Choose all the fees. No. She never picked like the garbage shit that would give me the fees. Speaking of, I feel like there's a purge that needs to happen right now. We're going to look. Oh, yes. LAES. It's time. The first purge of 2026. Prepare your bodies, boys and girls. It's time. Prepare your bodies, boys and girls, for the first purge 2026. Come here. Muting Discord. The first purge of 2026. A line is crossed. A new year has begun. The calendar turned. The rules were written, though. And today, the ETF Meta enforces them for the first time of 2026. This is not just a purge, this is history. LASE, held by Big Pokemon TCG, has fallen to minus 55%. It crossed the line, and once crossed, there is no return. This is the inaugural execution of the minus 50% rule. The moment where theory becomes law and discipline replaces hope. No averaging down, no waiting for a miracle, no bargaining with the chart. The market spoke. The ETF Meta listened. Big Pokemon TCG didn't fail today. He tested the system and the system held. Losses happen. Every trader here has worn red, but this year is not about pretending broken trades can be healed. This purge is not punishment. It is protection. Capital is preserved, focus is restored, and the ETF Meta steps into 2026 sharper, leaner, and wiser without this filth. Years from now, when traders ask, when did the ETF Meta grow up? Their answer will be simple. The day LASE was purged. The first stock to fall under the new law of 2026. The first reminder that 2026 is different. Let it be remembered, Big Pokemon TCG bears no shame. But LASE bears the judgment. The rule was written and line was crossed. The ETF Meta did not flinch. And now we shall purge. Good riddance. I smite you! LAES. Your final sell price is $199. You have been purged. Oh, that felt good. Felt good. Felt good. Clips there? Oh. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. You think your cock strategy will work on crypto? It works on any asset, yeah. You have to use higher time frames in crypto because the fees are absolutely ridiculous. So there's that. But other than that, yeah. Works on any asset. All right. Do you think, if I tell you, have you look on YouTube for building the impossible lightsaber? Pretty epic. I have seen the clips of that video, yeah. Looks a little wobbly, but gotta love it. Saidu's insane, man. All right. I've got a jet because I've got to freaking go buy some dining room chairs. Red Day, first Red Day of 2026. So exciting. Can I tell you? Oh. Actually, Red Week as well. I'm down like 5K this week. It doesn't matter. It's a freaking short week. Whatever. Don't care. First trade of the year was green, though. Technically. That's right, Cosmic. We're going to go raid Pizza G, first raid of the year. Get your payments in for the ETF Meta Championship. We got 4 in already. I assume we're going to have 10 to 15 when it's all said and done, maybe more. Get it in. If you have any questions, DM me about it. It's going to be fun. I hope. It depends on how many people sign up. We might do a few little extra surprises in there. We'll see. But yeah, you guys are awesome. Thanks for hanging out today. See you next week. New week. First full week of 2026. That'll be nice. You guys are awesome. As always, if you're a new trader and have questions, comments, hit me up in the DMs. Happy to help. And it's free. Peace out.